If you're watching this video, you're about to see something most YouTube creators never show you. The complete process behind how every single video on this channel is made. No shortcuts, no recycled content, no automation, just raw, original work. From the first second of research to the final frame of editing. Every video on this channel begins with a question. A genuine question about how global markets, money, and power actually work behind the scenes. I open multiple sources, financial reports, historical data, news analysis. I read through all of it. I take notes in my own words. I identify patterns that most people miss. Then I close every single source, and I write the script from scratch. Nothing is copied. Nothing is paraphrased line by line. The structure, the narrative, the angle, that is entirely my own thinking, my own perspective, my own original analysis. Once the script is written, the real work begins. I open CapCut. I go through the script line by line. For every single sentence, I manually select a visual that matches the meaning. Not just any clip, the right clip, the one that adds context, not just decoration. I structure every scene deliberately. I control the pacing. I add text overlays, transitions, and contextual graphics, all manually. All with creative intention. Every cut, every clip, every overlay is made by me for a specific reason. The final video is not a compilation. It is a constructed, structured, original piece of content. I use an AI-generated voice for narration, and I want to be completely transparent about that. But here is what the AI voice does not do. It does not write the script. It does not do the research. It does not make editing decisions. It does not choose the visuals or structure the story. The AI voice is a tool, exactly like a microphone or a camera. A filmmaker who uses a camera does not call the camera the director. The camera captures the vision. The human creates it. In the same way, the AI voice delivers my words, but every single word was written by me. Every idea was researched by me. Every frame was edited by me. The content is human. The narration tool is AI. That distinction matters. This channel exists for one reason: to give viewers something they cannot get from a headline or a news clip. Every video takes a complex topic, global financial systems, economic cycles, geopolitical power shifts, and breaks it down in a way that is clear, structured, and genuinely educational. The value is not in the visuals alone. The value is in the explanation, the context, the original perspective that connects dots. Most people never see connected. That is transformation. That is original content creation. I created this video because I believe in transparency, and I believe in the YouTube Partner Program's commitment to rewarding genuine creators. Every video on this channel is made with original research, original writing, and manual editing. I am not a content recycler. I am not an automation machine. I am a creator who takes complex financial realities and makes them understandable for everyday people. If you believe original educational content deserves to be on this platform, subscribe, share, and let's keep building something real together. Thank you for watching.